Hello everyone, I'm Zhesheng Dai, application engineer from Shining 3D. Today I'm here to introduce you the whole workflow with using our EinScan Medixa, the foot mode, to work with our FootStation. The FootStation is the accessory we provide for the foot mode. When you use this FootStation accessory, the scanner can capture the top of your foot and the bottom of your foot in the same time. And later when you do the mesh, our software can do the magic to flip the button and merge the two sides to make a whole mesh. So in the EinScan Medixa software, we just simply click the foot mode here, and we have been separated into INSO SMO mode and AFO KFO mode. And from each mode, you could also decide to scan it left foot only or right foot only, or you can do the both foot. And also, as same as our other modes, we provide a default settings for this kind of scanning mode. Okay, before we start scanning, there's one more thing we need to do is to bind the EinScan Medixa with this FootStation. So we only need to do this once, and unless you want to change the FootStation, you need to do it one more time. So the workflow to bind the FootStation with this Medixa is we need to flip the FootStation over, and we have a QR code placed there, and in the software, let's go and click this button there, bind FootStation2, click that, and the software will enable image capturing and point the scanner straight to the QR code, and then the binding process will be finished. Okay, once the FootStation has been bound to the EinScan Medixa, and I'm gonna do left foot scanning. So I will choose INSO SMO and the left foot and go for the default scanning parameters. Here's the arrow key to start scanning. Put your patient's name here and start scanning. And it is recommended that the patient, it can be better to wear a white socket for easy scanning. And also the brightness will be important here, and just hit this sun logo, and you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. Make sure you see like the full scan data over there. That will mean the right brightness setting. Okay, so once everything is set, we can just hit the play button to start scanning. Okay, and after set the scan data, and then we could do some editing work. Click the scissor sign here. We could use the rectangular tool to cut some height, and click complete to apply for the editing. And now you see the data is still separate on the top side and the bottom side. When we hit the mesh button, the software will just flip the bottom side and make it merge to the top side. So you will see a complete foot after this process. Okay, and after mesh, same process, the software will ask you to do some data alignment. We could play with the rotate and pan the data, so make it looks nice in the coordinates. I think all look good. I'll just hit complete, and yeah, so here we go. There we have the full foot scanning data, and that's the bottom side and that's the top side, and both data has been perfectly stitched together. All right, and once we have the data, the next step will be export the data for designing.